Hi everyone, this is my second video, and in this video we are going to stage a live website on the localhost. So if you want to stage your live website and do some changes, you can stage it on localhost. For this you have to create a backup, and you can use any plugin like Duplicator or Updraft. We are going to use Updraft here. There are other options available like Duplicator. You can use this one or FastUp. It is also like both plugin do same thing, and the process is also same for both plugins. And we are using here Updraft in this video. Let us check if it is installed. Okay, just activate the plugin after installing it. Once it is installed, yeah, just go to Updraft backup and restore. Okay, there you have to create a backup. Just select your database and all your files. Backup now. It will take little time based on your website. Um, okay, the backup is in process. Till then, we are going to install WordPress on localhost. I will be using here local by WPEngine. Create a website, create new website, continue. Uh, we are using here demo. You can name your website anything. So preferred option is PHP. You can use current stable version, which is 8.3, but it will take some time. Okay, we are using 8.4. Apache, MySQL, username admin, password admin for my localhost. Okay, so staging will install here. Okay, while this will create a demo website, on our website we can check how much process is completed. Okay, seems almost done. And okay, yeah, this one is also completed. Just open your local website, WP admin, username admin, password admin. Okay, here's all files that you need for moving your live website on a local host. Just download it. Database, plugins, themes, uploads, MU plugins if you want, otherwise you can leave it. So these four files are required: database, plugin, theme, and upload. Download, download. And the plugins, okay. Database also. Theme. And the last one is uploads. Okay, now on your local website, you can check uh, the blank WordPress is set up here. Install the same plugin, Updraft. WordPress. UpdraftPlus. Okay, so the downloads has been completed, and now just you like upload all the files here. Okay, and the process will take up a few seconds based on your website size. Okay, it is completed. Now just scan for the files, and you see the backup is showing here. Last backup we did taken 3 December 2025. Restore it, restore everything on localhost. Okay, it will replace your URL, like this URL with your current URL. Oops. Restore, search and replace, restore. It will take few minutes for your website size, and once it is complete, click on it. Okay, you can use your live website login details here, and if you go to your website, you will see everything is installed on your localhost. Okay, so you can use Updraft to transfer your live website on your localhost. Thank you.